Hello everybody, we're going to get started with showing you how to set up a GitHub repo so we can start with our Azure Virtual Desktop Lab. So first thing we're going to do is go over to a folder in your Windows or Linux or Apple computer and then go to a folder of your choice, and I'm going to pick new repo. And I'm going to make a new folder called Azure Virtual Desktop. Make a new one called modules, and then we're going to create a new file called resource group. We're going to be creating a resource group bicep module file, and I have one already created, but for this we're going to go ahead and create resource group, and let's not name it this because it's going to get confused with a resource group function. So let's call it RG. And let's just use the latest API. And there's not much to a resource group module. We're going to need the typical stuff, which is a parameter, location, and then we're going to call this a string, parameter, resource group, name, string, and then we're going to plug this into here, and then we're going to give it the location, and then we're going to give it tags. And tags is an object type, so we gotta give it the object. And there's no properties in here, so it should just sit like this. So we also have to give it, the resource group is a little tricky because it's a resource group itself, so you have to tell it that it is a subscription scoped resource. Let's delete these line breaks and then format, and then let's give it some outputs. Make it a string. And we gotta say that it's rg dot name, and then we're gonna get the output of the ID as well. And there you have it. We have this resource group, and we're gonna go ahead and push this up to a repo. Now we're going to go down here and click master, create new branch, and we'll call it AVD lab. So we are going to be creating the repo using this command here, using the git CLI. So we're saying GitHub repo create. Name of the repo project is going to be public, and it should be double hyphenated. and this is saying we're going to use the current directory we're in to submit the files. Okay. So it looks like the easiest way to do it is going to be through here. So Azure Virtual Desktop. So we're going to go to github.com/new Azure Virtual Desktop. Make it public. Create a repository. And then let's go to here. It's the easiest way to do it. So the issue we had earlier is I hadn't set up my information here. We created a README, and now we're going to add the files we created. And then we do a git add, git commit, and then the message, which is -m, and then a git push. And then we should see it over here if they refresh. There you have it. Please like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, everyone.